Hi everybody, my name is Miss Portia and today I'm visiting the Dunbar Community Garden. And while I'm here, I've got some stories to read to you. Come on. So my favorite part of the garden is the chickens. Let's go see them. Ready. My first story is Five Little Chicks by Nancy Tafuri. Once there were 5 little chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beep, said the first chick. What can I eat? And with a little squirm spied a fat, wiggly worm. Said the second little chick. Peep, what can we eat? And with a little shrug found a spotted, crawly bug. Do you know what kind of bug that is? It's my favorite bug, a ladybug. Said the third little chick. Peep, what can we eat? And with a little sigh saw a fuzzy butterfly. Said the fourth little chick. Peep, what can we eat? And with a little worry spotted a plump red strawberry. Yum. Said the fifth little chick. Peep, what can we eat? And with a little pout saw a long shiny trout. But wise Mama Hen knew just what to do. Let's run to the patch. Cluck, cluck, and scratch. So all 5 chicks went scratch, 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 scratch. And pecked with their mama all day in the corn patch. Until wise Mama Hen said, let's not make a peep. It's time to snuggle and cuddle and sleep. Cluck, cluck. Good night, my 5 little sweets. Sleep, sleep. The end. Hi. Hey. Okay. And look at the pretty bee on the bench. And the mural that was painted on the side of the building. My second story is called The Bear's Garden by Marcy Colleen. In the big bustling city, all the people were busy. They rushed up and down the street without seeing that some buildings needed paint, that some buildings were empty, and that some buildings were gone. But in one girl's imagination, the city was a place to grow, a place to play, a place to love. She could always find beauty around her. One night, the girl's imagination spilled onto the sidewalk, rolled across the street, and sprouted tomatoes. A baby garden. When she spotted the seedling, she introduced herself with a "How do you do?" and a garden party. And that's how it went, day after day. No matter how fierce the sun or how swift the wind, the little girl watched over the seedling. "I believe in you," she whispered, every morning and every night. More seedlings soon grew. People rushing by began to slow down. First, with a tip of the hat or a nod of the head, people stopped to smile or say hello to the little girl with the tiny green friends. There came a time when the girl had to leave for a while. Without her care and without her love, she knew the plants would wither. She wanted to bring the garden with her, but it wasn't possible. She thought maybe she could whisper, "I believe in you," from far away, but she didn't have enough string. She tried employing a pigeon, but it was clearly not trained. If the little girl could not take care of the garden, someone else would have to. She filled her bear with cuddles and snuggles and stuffed him full of hope. She locked button eyes with him and whispered into his ear, "This is a very special mission. Watch the garden until I get back." She kissed him on top of his head and left him to do his job. From miles away, the girl imagined the garden was blooming. She imagined it could be a place to grow. You see the pretty flowers? A place to play. A place to love. And it was. The end. It's a puppy. Cat. Hi. Now it's time to leave the garden. And we'll stop by our little free pantry because I saw someone put more food in there. Let's see what's in there. cereal and soup and corn, all kinds of good things, and applesauce. This pantry is for anyone who happens to be hungry and comes into the garden. I hope you enjoyed our stories in the garden. It's time to say goodbye to the garden. Until next time, have a good day. Bye.